Hi guys, Mark Gossage here of bestbonusking.com. Welcome to my NFT Memes Money review. NFT memes, you don't need to know a thing about NFTs to start making money from today, basically. The good news is that if you want to get in here and start making money from this industry, you're not going to need special skills, you know, technology. You don't need anything to start this except for this product, and it's as easy as falling off a log. Okay, now in my review yesterday I mentioned falling off a log's easy, but if you haven't got the log you can't fall off it. Okay, this is another product that gives you the log. In fact, it gives you that many. You've got your own forest of logs, more or less, because what's happening is you're not just getting the training, you're also getting the memes that you need, so that you've got a year's supply, 365 of them, ready for you to upload, ready for the, to sell, and ready to start making money from. So go through the training, get them up there, and you're in a position to be making money really, really fast. Now, before we go through it all, let's go on over to the best NFT Memes Money bonus page on the planet. Easy as clicking on that very first link right below the video. Come straight on over. It tells you a bit about it here. 11.3 billion NFT industry, and you're getting in on this very fast. Okay, you won't need to create and buy, sell your NFTs. They're done for you. They're already there. Zero experience, no effort required, no investment. It's here. 100% done for you content. And Johnny Rose, the vendor, the person behind this, is giving you not only the training and the products, but he's made it PLR, so you can start using it all. Absolutely brilliant. Okay, all done for you, content ready to go. Really, really is. It's 100% beginner friendly, as I said, no experience needed. It's copy paste simple. Okay, near enough, super simple. How'd you get it? How'd you grab it? Under $10, $10 note, $9.99. Click on any of the yellow buttons, get over to the sales page, lock it in, and as long as I get credited with that sale, you're going to get all of these bonuses of mine. Bonus one, NFT. All about NFTs. Let's make sure we can turn you into a pro NFT, okay? NFTs demystified. This is going to show you how to get in on all of the NFT action, how to start making money with them. Johnny Rose's training as well. You can't, you're going to get them up there, guys. They're going to be out there. Now, if you're willing to put up, 365, every chance you're going to start seeing sales. And if you use my bonuses, let's have a look at the next one. Canva. Design, all about easy to make images there, easy to edit, easy to, super simple. You can really flood the NFT market with these. Everything you need to know about Canva, all the training, 7-part video series, all here. No excuse now. It's like I said, you're not just getting a log to fall off, you're getting the whole forest and more. Okay, you can make as many as you want. It's simple there. Free Canva is, free to access, free to use. Don't need the paid version, and you can just keep doing, as many NFTs as you want. Now, the insider secrets on how social media can easily earn you instant profits. This is how to look at social media as a whole. Okay, not just Facebook. You've got Twitter, Instagram, things like that. It's all there. Let's get it right. People say to me, "Oh, I haven't got a following," or "My following's my family and friends." Let's start building it the right way. And that being said, fan pages. All businesses have them. So if you really are going to go heavy duty on NFTs, let's treat it like a business. Let's get on there. Let's get a fan page going on Facebook. Let's tell people what you're about. Let's get some interest. This ain't going to work just on, on day zero. You're going to have to build it. You're going to have to put time in. If you want to make the big bucks, if you want to get people there, let's get people knowing what you're about. NFTs, everybody's heard of them. A lot of people want to know more about them. And you've got the content. As I said, Johnny Rose has made it a PLR product. Break it all down and put some of the content on there. Show them what you're on about with NFTs. You know about buying. You know about selling. You know what they are. You know them so well. People will look at you and say, "Hey, industry leader in NFTs." You can become a superstar in a matter of weeks with that. Okay, fan pages. Everybody wants them that's in business. You've got you've got the knowledge with that now. And again, social media, how to succeed with social media, how to grow your brand. my brand, NFTs, how to, grow, get people to know about all your NFTs and everything, grow your audience, get more eyes on it, get more attention, and start to make more money, because people in there will get interested, they'll start questioning, and you're going to find some of them going off and making sales, okay? And I believe Johnny Rose is going to show you not just about NFTs and, uploading and selling them. He's also going to show you affiliate programs where you sell other people's memes and things and NFTs, and you get a commission, okay? Absolutely fantastic. And he's giving you a list of affiliate sites, not just one. He's giving you a list there. So absolutely massive potential here. You're also getting access to over 90 bonuses all ready to download. I think there's something like 20 downloads, so it'll take a time. And there's 4 to 5 bonuses in each folder that you download. So almost 100 bonuses, everything there for you. And if you want to profit from the booming 11.3 billion NFT industry, then NFT Memes Money, it's got to be for you. At under $10, don't miss out, guys. And it's as easy as clicking on the link below, very first one, if you're on YouTube, clicking on that yellow button, as I said, and getting over to the sales page. Looks exactly like this. It's medium size, not super long, doesn't need to be. Real product, know what they're on about, not fluff. They want to tell you what this is about and what you're getting, okay? And they're saying zero experience, near enough no effort or investment required, using 100% done-for-you content that's given to you and PLR rights and the training. They're going to teach you not only how to fall off your log, but they're going to give you 365 logs, almost a forest, okay? And as I said, with my Canva bonus, you can turn that forest into, well, a land of trees, a land of logs. So you're getting everything you need for the biggest opportunity, Johnny's saying, of 2023. Immediate access to a recession-proof method, no extra costs involved. An entire year of done-for-you premium PLR content, 365 NFT memes, step-by-step training so that you'll know how to profit from NFTs without spending a dime, okay? You can do this for nothing. Okay, you can pay, you can put them out there, but Johnny's showing you how to do it for nothing, okay? All there, step-by-step training, private label rights to edit everything, repurpose it, and resell the contents, up to you, okay? And as I said, you can break it down, use it for content, for posts and things on your fan pages, posts on your Facebook. You can use these images, use a low res, and you can put them on Pinterest, you can put them on Instagram, things like that. Up to you, guys, okay? You really can get out there. You've got everything you need to build it. It's all there. And you're getting 24/7 support from the helpful team of experts and coaches. Got a problem? Support ticket, okay? Get your answers. And look, this is how crazy. This guy here, they reckon he's a 12-year-old boy, has made £290,000 from whale NFTs. And they are these little like cartoony whales, if you can see it just here on this monitor. And they reckon he's made £290,000, almost, well, around $300,000. Unbelievable. If you want to get into this industry, it's all here. And look at this here. There's this cartoon rock, as they're calling it. Okay. If I seen that, I'd probably, crunch it up and throw it in the bin. Do you know what I mean? Rubbish. Well, Everrock NFT sells for $1.3 million, okay? Sale prices jumped in the last week. I would think they have 1.3 million. You only got to sell that one rock and you can go home, do you know what I mean? No need to sell anymore. It's just skyrocketed. Absolutely crazy. You guys can create pictures, images, whatever you want to call them like that. I'm giving you Canva training. You can knock them out by the dozen, honestly. Click, 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 done. Click, 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 done. How many do you want? You're getting 365 anyway. You can repurpose them and edit them in Canva. You can sort of 10 times that. And you can even go and get your own images, as long as they're not copyrighted, and play about with them, or start from scratch and just put triangles and squares in, and it's up to you guys, okay? All here. And they're saying you don't have to know a thing about NFTs to start earning today, okay? If you get through the training quick enough, once you've gone through it and applied it, you can be in a position to start earning from today or tomorrow. You know, let's say you spend the weekend going through it all, the weekend, and then you can be in a position to start earning. Okay, simple as that. And as I say, it's not just selling NFTs. You can be promoting affiliate ones. There are affiliate sites out there. Johnny Rose is giving you a list of affiliate sites, not just one. Join up to them, get your affiliate links, get out there, Facebook fan pages, get it all out there. Become, as I said, that go-to person, the person that knows about NFTs. And then when you say, hey, take a look at this, you won't believe it, it's up for sale at 3.2, you know, do you know what I mean? Millions. Click here to click on it. Anybody buys something, you're going to get a commission, okay? Simple as that. Johnny's going to show you how to do it, how to make money. He's really simplified the NFT, but if he wasn't simple enough already, he's just gone and simplified it. And this is, as Johnny Rose is saying, your shortcut to success. And as I said, PLR license, people know, oh, PLR. No, it's not low quality. This is high quality. This is exactly what you want. You know, you want the training, you want your logs, and you want to get out there and do it. It's as easy as falling off a log, as I say. So no investment, no experience, no effort. The only effort is to go through the training, and that will give you that little bit of experience or knowledge that you need, okay? You've got the knowledge, just put it into practice, okay? And you're ready there. Everything you need, immediate access, an entire year, 365 memes, step-by-step training, step-by-step, easy to follow, ABC, 1, 2, 3. Private label rights, edit them, repurpose them, resell the contents, up to you guys. 24/7 support. All there for you, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. What could be simpler? I've got a problem. No, you shouldn't have any problems, because if you have 5 minutes and they're gone, just get that support ticket, get that support, get over it. Don't give up, get over it. It's super simple. You know, don't not make money from memes and NFTs because of something super simple, okay? People are loving it. It says what it, you know, fast acting, takes minutes. You can see results, copy, paste, profit, that's simple. 12-year-old, yeah, we know, and we're sick. $300,000 or something, you know, crazy. So, as he says, what are you waiting for? You've got to lock it in, guys, here. You're getting everything. You're getting the whole shaboodle. And look at this. I mean, you know, what's that? That brown lump of, you know, this NFT sold, believe it or not, for $300,000, you know, absolutely crazy. $300,000. If you can't do some of these in Canva, you know, look at that. If you can't do some of these in Canva, something wrong, guys. 7-part video training series. It's going to train you to use Canva. You can knock these out. Dozens of them, dozens. And you can also get the ones, you know, get the ones Johnny's getting and repurpose them, you know, edit them slightly. So from 1, you're getting 4 to 5. You can add text, you know, you just do so much. It really, really is. For those of you that are going to run with this, you got to get it, ain't you? It's unbelievable. If you want to be in NFTs, if you want to be into that sort of crypto, you want to do it with no outlay other than purchasing this for under $10, you've got to go for NFT Memes Money. It is that super simple. That being said, let's look at the upsells. First link below the video. Come over to the best NFT Memes Money bonus page on the planet. Scroll down a little way, yep, past that yellow button that takes you to the sales page, and have a look here. It tells you a bit more about it here if you want to have a read. Front end, as I said, $9.95, under $10, and it's going to let you learn how to profit from the 11.3 billion NFT industry. You won't need to create them if you don't want to, buy them, sell them, or anything. The training is going to show you how to do it, affiliate, you know, how to get commissions from it, basically. And then it's going to go on and give you 365. So if you do want to sell, you've got them. Use them as is, repurpose them, you know, edit them, put your spin on them, get them up there. They're going to give you everything you need and show you exactly how to make money with NFT memes. You're getting all the training you need. One time offer 1. Unlimited. Ooh, I love that word, unlimited. $27. No ceiling. I'm not going to bang my head on it. Not going to hurt myself. My earnings aren't capped and I can keep going. Immediately access for $27. 1,000 extra done for you. NFT and crypto memes. New memes are going to be added each and every month. going to grow. You have that many. You're going to put a few hours in, because if not, you might not need it. This is for serious people, serious NFTers. If you're going to become an NFTer, this is the training. This is the memes. This is everything you need. It really, really is. Done for you business. You can promote this sales page and make money from it. 100% commissions from all the sales. It's only $67. Great price, but it's not for me. Why? Because I'd be concentrating on those NFT memes and all that, and on Facebook and getting known. I'd get that wheel moving. I don't know about get it moving. I'd push it and push it. I'd get it moving, and not only keep it moving, I'd speed it up. Each and every day or 2 week, I'd find it's going faster, and I'd get more memes available to people for sale. I'd get more people watching them, eyes on them, and hopefully I'll be getting some big sales back. Okay, I mean, I'm happy for sold 1.3 million. Yeah, I don't care. I've got 100. You want one? That's great. That sort of money, I would be loving it. I really, really would. One time offer 2, done for you business, $67. As I said, not for me. One time offer 3, make money with memes, video training. Yeah, video. A lot simpler. Watch the videos, $47, and you're going to get a 1-hour masterclass all about NFT memes, everything there. Absolutely brilliant. Plus 4 extra video training courses. You're going to get instant traffic with Snapchat. They're going to tell you how to do it with Snapchat, how to do it with Quora. Another great place. Increase your influence with Instagram and getting visitors from Pinterest. Now, you've got the images. You got Canva, low res them slightly so people, can't steal them. Just put some over them, like copyright, copyrighting your name, things like that. Put them on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. You've got them. Let's get out there. Let's get in front of the crowd. You might not have any followers, but if you can start putting stuff out and use what you learn in the training, not in one big chunk, but break it down into small bite-sized chunks, just enough, not too much. Put it out of a post or on your fan page. People are going to start reading it. They're going to engage. They're going to start to trust you. They're going to start to realise this person knows what they're on about. They really do. They're going to come back for more because you're posting regularly, or you should be. Okay. They're going to eventually go over. They're going to click on the links. And a few will buy. Okay, a few are going to go, yeah, I want it, I want it, I want it, and they'll get involved. Okay, get people involved. That's there. Last upsell, one-time offer 4. It's the membership. Okay, monthly meme membership, $1 for the trial, and then $9.99 a month. So near enough $10 monthly. You'll get to be able to join the private membership community with other elite meme marketers, okay? People that are already selling these NFTs and everything. You'll be able to see what they're on about. You'll be able to put your order in and, have a few words yourself, and you'll be able to get involved. It'll help you move forward. As long as you're not shy, you're going to take part. Absolutely brilliant. You'll also get discounts and free meme packs, even more memes, even more. How many logs do you want to fall off? Do you know what I mean? You're going to just get loads and loads here. It really, really is. If you want to get into NFT memes and things, NFT Memes Money, it's unmissable. And as I say, click on any of the yellow buttons. Make sure you check it out. All my bonuses here. And over 90 there. You get access to all of them as long as I get credited with a sale, basically. Click on the yellow button, any of these buttons, get on over, have a look at the sales page, make sure it's for you. Do you want to be able to just get images and get paid for them? If you do, NFT memes, okay, it's for you. So thanks for watching my review. You know what it's all about now. And all it remains is for me to say thanks for watching. Make sure you take care. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.